Hey YouTube, this is Just State from Just State Raw Beef here. I apologize for my not making videos in a while. I was on vacation, and so was Raw Beef, so we were both on kind of like vacation at the same time. So we couldn't make any videos, but a couple days ago was my birthday, and I got a birthday gift card, so I've got some stuff over here that I'm going to show you. And we're going to do a little unboxing and a little review, but I have never used these things. Well, you'll find out. You'll get the general idea once I show it to you. So, without further ado, show you these things. We've got, boom, we got the Nightmare, what is this? The Dark Element Expansion Pack. We got Nightmare over here. Right, no, over here. The Dark Trap right here, and what's this thing called? Midnight Museum. So, if you guys, I got this at Target. You guys want to check that out? Sorry about the really bad glare. And then the other thing I've got is, what is this? Nitro Head Rush, another Target exclusive. So, as you guys may infer that my gift card was Target. Yes, it was a Target gift card. So I went to Target, picked these two guys up, and let's get unboxing. So first we're going to do the Dark Element Expansion Pack. So let's this baby open.
Are you going to do another copycat video?
No, I'm not. So that's my brother talking to me. God, these things are so hard to open. I don't know how it's. Oh, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of the card and the code so you guys don't use the code. I know you. I know you. So I'm just going to put the code and take it out of your guys' sight. So here's the sticker. I've got my thumb over the code. Here's the card. I'll read the stats to you guys. His strength is 150, armor is 110, speed is 250, and luck 40. It's Nightmare's card. Oh no, what happened? Sorry, my computer froze for a minute. And let's look at these guys. Oh, hang on. Here's the Midnight Museum sticker and card. Let's take a look at these boys. So, one of my favorite new additions to the Trap Team is the Light and Dark Element, which is pretty cool. It's got this, like, Traptanium sword. Oh, I feel so... The paint job is just unbelievable. I mean, it doesn't look so great on the screen, but in real life, oh my god. It's like kind of like dark. It's kind of like the washbuckler. I don't know what it's like. Well, variant washbuckler. But it's like more darkish and more polished than it. And it's like a sprinkle of like glitter or something. And he's got like his hair is like so blue. It's darker on the screen. I mean, in my world. My world. I come from a different dimension.
You're weird.
Alright, let's take a look at the Midnight Museum. Alright. It's kind of like a sword and like a stone, kind of like if you ever read like King Arthur or something like that. It's kind of like, dethrone the sword. I wouldn't say this looks like a museum.
It looks a lot like a museum.
Although it does have doors going through it.
It looks a lot like a museum, actually. No.
Alright, last but most certainly not least, I've got element expansion kit. We have... Yeah, sorry. These are so hard to get out. Oh god. Okay, I can't seem to get out right now, but there is the dark trap. Not much to show there. Let's figure a way to get that out. Okay, next we have nitro head rush. Okay. These things are really hard to unbox. And like when you do, it's got like razor sharp edges. Oh jeez, this is like child warning here. Oh, stab me. Oh jeez. Ah, that hurts. So this is taking a long time, but I'm just really bad at unboxing Trap Masters. So I can take my car, run over it. Oh jeez. JK, I don't have a car.
You don't have a car.
I'll be right back. I'm going to stomp on this real quick.
How hard is it just to get the Trap Master on?
Okay, so as you can see, head rush is loose in the package.
How hard is it to get around?
I'm going to try it again.
I cannot see
Okay, I think we got it. Shut this. Okay, here it is, the box. The fail box that I did. Never do that at home. I don't want your parents yelling at you. And then the card is bent now that I stomped on it.
Good job.
And here's the sticker. Oh boy. And then nitro head rush. So what I'm gonna try now is to get this trap out. I'm gonna try and stop on it. Make this work. Sorry guys, someone's at my computer. I got it!
Oh my god!
Okay, here's our haul today. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. My very bad unboxing skills.
Very bad.
Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. And remember, keep eating raw beef.